As a freelancer, one of your major tasks will be to determine your availability. In this video, I'm going to talk about some things to consider, and I'm also going to talk about some tools you can use to help you manage your time. Well, before you freelance, you must have available time. You must balance the administration, the marketing, and the production of your good or service. So let's think about some of the ways in which you can do that. One of the key ways, which I talk about a lot, is to measure what your hourly rate is for yourself. And in another video, I'll actually show you how to do that. Once you've come to an amount, you can then determine which administrative, marketing, and production tasks could be done by someone else who's willing to accept a lower rate. And so what you can then do is essentially buy their time instead of spending yours on something that you would do for less. Okay, so as an example, if you're paying yourself $100 an hour and there is an administrative function such as inserting data that someone could do for $10 an hour, $15 an hour, then rather give it to them so that you can save yourself that hour, which you could then use to service your customers and your clients, right? These are some strategies that you could use. However, the key question is, what are the priorities in each sphere? What are your priority administrative tasks, marketing tasks, and production tasks that only you can do? If you have a list of 5 things that you need to do every week that only you can do, then those are the things you need to look for, and then build your customer relationships around those 5 priorities on your calendar. Talking about your calendar, let's go on to the next piece. How can you manage your time? Perhaps one of the most important tools that I use in my work is Google Calendar. That allows me to not only have meeting requests, but also to plan out my priorities. However, it's not a project management tool. In other words, I can't necessarily integrate my work functions in as effectively as the other 2 tools that you have available to you, such as Asana and Trello. Now, I want to make clear that I'm not advertising these, I'm just letting you know that these are available to you. I've used Asana and I've used Trello, and both have been incredibly effective at helping me both manage my tasks and my projects and stay up to date with my calendar itself, right? I'm able to schedule meetings, I'm able to see what needs to get done, and I'm able to actually tag priorities. And what that helps me do is get to the center of this video, which is, do I have time? Well, none of us have time. All of us have 24 hours, but the key question is, are you able to spend your time on the priorities? And that's really where some of the tips of this video will help you along. I hope you enjoyed it.